Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how to use iframe in UiPath App Studio, right? What is it and how to use it, everything in detail we are going to learn. Now first of all, what is iframe? Using iframe you can embed other websites inside the UiPath apps. So what do I mean by websites? Simply what you do, drag and drop this iframe, and in the source simply type some website. Remember, if you type google.com for example, what would happen? You may not find anything. See, it gives an invalid URL or there is some kind of restrictions with google.com. Now let me try uipath.com for example, uipath.com. Okay, now uipath.com, you can see it is appearing, right? Let us try few more websites. For example, rpachallenge.com, right? There's a website called rpachallenge.com. Let me copy this, and remember this property, right? The iframe property, if you highlight here, it tells you only supports websites which start with HTTPS. So there is a restriction, and also not all the websites are allowed for you to embed into a different application. For example, you just now saw when I was using google.com, it was not working. Okay, so there are restrictions. So this one rpchallenge.com also works, right? Now how do I ensure? For example, if I hit on preview, you can see the website has definitely appeared, but not in a proper frame. It is a very small frame. So how do I work on the frame, right? Now for that, let's go to the styling, and here is something called auto width, auto height. So let me first remove both of them. So click on this drop down and I'm going to select percentage. And here let me put a percentage, let's say 50%. Width I would like to keep 50%. Okay, fine. And then and ensure you are on the iframe. Okay, you are working on the iframe. Now for the height, again I'm going to select percentage, and here I'm going to select 100. Okay, now definitely this was the previous look. Now if I hit on preview, it will have a pretty good look. Now you can see how it is appearing. So this is how you can configure an iframe, and now you can see this website is completely functional. Okay, this is not you're showing like an image. It is completely functional. For example, if I'm going to type something, Rakesh, submit, right? It is exactly functional. This website is completely functional how it's supposed to be. Okay, so you can see this is how an iframe can be used. There could be multiple restrictions that you may face, right? So please do let me know in case you have any kind of specific challenge that we can probably try to address that. But this is how basically you'll be using an iframe with a HTTP website. And remember, not all the websites will work. All right, I was also trying to do it with youtube.com for example. Let me try. Okay, even there is a restriction. Okay, this doesn't work. So likely you can try different websites and try to see within UiPath apps you can, if you can bring up a different website. Embed means bringing up a different website within the app. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. We are going to meet once again with more informative contents for you. Thank you, take care, bye bye.